In this video, I'm going to show you how I can review my originality report in Turnitin. So I have submitted my paper at the assignment location in Canvas, which is automatically integrated with Turnitin. So I don't need to go use Turnitin separately. I just submit in Canvas. And once I've done that, I will get an originality report. The way I view that is I click on grades and I go over here, and this little green flag is from Turnitin, and you can see when I hover over that it says originality report. So I'm going to click on that, which will open up the Turnitin Feedback Studio. And you'll see that it has some numbers and some matches in there. And if I want to understand what makes up this 23% match, I can click open that menu and see that a paper submitted to Point Loma Nazarene University is part of that 11%. And I notice this little 1 is also marked up here, and each thing highlighted in this color with a number 1 is content that has been submitted at Point Loma before, but you'll notice that's a part of this template that we're using to create our outlines for the informative speech. So I don't need to worry about that unless I see that this matches much higher and there are portions of my match that are really somebody else's paper and content versus just the outline. You'll see that 7% of my match is to a site called ElonTeamDynamics.com, which is an internet source. And this is right here a good indicator that these words match this online internet source. And that makes sense to me because I did copy and paste from this internet source, and I have forgotten to use quotation marks here. So that gives me information that I need to go back and either paraphrase that information or set it up in quotes, and then also make sure that I have my my oral citation. Anyway, you can continue through clicking on these different matches and see where things match, and that's how you understand what you're looking at in your originality report.